Colin, awful conditions. You're not quite dancing in the rain, but you're definitely smiling.
Yeah, good. It's a great result. TNS are phenomenal opposition, and they put us under massive amount of pressure. But I thought we played well. We could have created one or two more chances if we had better quality in the final third. But just can't fault the lads. They've defended the box ever so well, and they ask question after question of you. The quality that they bring on is from the bench onto the pitch is just scary at times when I see the subs that are coming on. But the lads have done absolutely outstanding. Rode our luck at times, but that's what's got to happen when you play against the quality of a team like that. And I thought we did really, really well. You've got to have endeavour, you've got to have commitment, and a desire to want to go and hang on to the result.
Craig, tough conditions and a tough result.
Yeah, bitterly disappointed. You know, we don't like getting beat football games. I'm sure no one does, but we don't like getting beat football games. I certainly don't like getting beat football games, and and you'd like to think everyone doesn't like get beat football games, but I know everyone doesn't like get football games in the dressing room. So, it's a tough one to accept, but we're going to have to.
You had plenty of possession tonight, but you just didn't seem to be your usual clinical selves. Was that primarily down to the conditions?
Definitely not the conditions, no. I think we had plenty of possession. I think we had some really good opportunities. We've had some really good opportunities and we've not took advantage of them. So that's the important thing. You give a really poor goal away like that, and then you don't take the opportunities, and it's never a good, concoction or a mix to be successful.